Alright, another Homo sapien. Today's video is about the youngest life coach in India. So if you are one of those who wants to be in the coaching industry, you have to watch this video. Even if you are not, there are a lot of things to be learned in this video. I learned a lot. I enjoyed the conversation. So next 30 minutes fully packed for you. Let's get right into the video.
Thank you so much, Kashish, for your time. And today, before moving on to your story, I just have a surprise question. If you can just tell about a step-by-step process of if someone wants to be a life coach right now, like if someone wants to be a life coach right now, how should he or she would go about it, like step-by-step process? Just
Okay, that is a surprise question.
yeah,
Nobody asked me that ever. So, if you want to become a life coach, firstly, you got to be clear that you want to become a life coach. Because I have
alright,
seen a lot of people are here like, वो ऐसा कर रही है तो I should start also doing this and दूसरे की थाली में घी ज़्यादा दिखता है वैसा वाला सीन है. But that's not the truth. Becoming a life coach, it's not easy. Taking each of the case is like a challenge, and there are a lot of obstacles. And you also, as a face, as a life coach. So, firstly, I will recommend that understand that why you want to become a life coach. When you are
okay,
clear on why, when you are clear on your why, then only move ahead. Otherwise, don't, because investing a lot of money in the certifications will give you no use, because till the time when you will practice things, it's gonna be totally different. So yeah, that's the different case. So number one, understand your why. Number two, of course, to become a life coach, बहुत सारे लोग सिर्फ अपने आप को ऐसे लाइफ कोच बता देते हैं कि हम तो बहुत बुढ़े हो गए, चलो अपने टैग लगाते हैं लाइफ कोच का. Lot of people do that also. So just don't jump on those things, because फिर बाद में कभी ऐसे clients आ जाते हैं जो आपसे certification मांगते हैं. No matter,
okay,
irrespective of your age, people ask for your certification. So just go to any institute or something to become a life coach, and make sure you are doing life coaching from a person who is non-judgmental. Because if you're gonna become a life coach, like, what you become is what your mentor says to you, right? You model them,
yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So make sure this thing that you are joining a kind of institute, or you are under some person who is non-judgmental in all the scenarios of life. Like, observe them, learn about them, review them, read their articles, videos, everything, and then jump into those things. And of course, pay them, get the certification done, and just practice, क्योंकि उसमें है ना कुछ particular amount of hours practice करने के बाद certification मिलता है. There is a
Okay,
test also. So do that test, pass it out, and then जब हम लाइफ कोचिंग की पढ़ाई करते हैं, जो हम रीडिंग्स करते हैं, वो जो प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में अप्लाई करने की बात आती है, दैट इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग. So first I will say apply it on you, and then
okay.
you're gonna become a real life coach. Like, mark my word,
Thank,
real life coach, not
thank you.
real life coach. Yeah.
Yeah, makes a lot of sense. So starting from the things that you said in the initial phase, like what was your why? What was that reason that you actually choose to be a life coach?
Okay, so my story of being a life coach, it was quite spontaneous. That was a very spontaneous decision, and at that time, I before becoming a life coach, I chose the psychology subject first.
अच्छा,
Like,
ठीक है.
I was studying BCom, and then I switched to psychology. So I asked myself that why I'm willing to become a psychologist. Why? Because in my head, the only things were coming up that when I was a child, I went to three psychologists. Like, three of them were like worst of them, and I paid so much to them because I was being bullied, harshly bullied, mentally, emotionally, was everything was traumatized, and
Okay.
I went to the
Got
psychologist because my mother was like, she's crying all day long. I don't know what to do. तो अभी मेरे पास यही ऑप्शन बचा, और उस जमाने में तो ऐसा होता था कि साइकोलॉजिस्ट के लाइक पीपल यूज्ड टू से पागल हो गए बस
it.
काम खत्म अब तो ऐसा. So my only reason was to become a psychologist and a life coach, and all the courses I'm doing for now also. The only reason is simple, that I cannot afford to see the person I used to in somebody else, you know, other people are living that life which I used to live. The trauma, the bullying, the, you know, hatred,
Yeah.
the pain. I know what I'm came from. And it took me, मतलब क्या, ट्रॉमा खत्म तो हो जाता है, चलो
Yeah.
एक साल का ट्रॉमा खत्म हो गया. माइंड वाज 6 to 12 स्टैंडर्ड. तो जितना भी
Okay.
साल था, या इट वाज क्वाइट लॉन्ग. तो उसको हीलिंग में उससे कहीं ज्यादा समय लगता है. It takes a lot to heal, and it is a lot more painful when you are on the healing process. क्योंकि जब trauma हो रहा है, it's simple, you blame others. Like
Yeah.
तुमने किया, वो कर रहा है इसलिए हम
Yeah.
रो रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Your parents also like घर में घुस के उनको डांट के आ गए थे. My family was like this कि अब हम अपनी बेटी को रोते हुए नहीं देख सकते भाई. So it was like कि वो घर में जाके चिल्ला के आ जाते थे, डांट के आ जाते थे, प्रिंसिपल को बोल के आ
Yes.
जाते थे. But it didn't work out. वो फिर भी वो जो लोग करते थे वो करते ही थे. एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, वो ऐसा कर रहे हैं, दैट्स द रीजन आई एम क्राइंग. बट व्हेन यू आर ऑन द हीलिंग प्रोसेस, यू कैन नॉट पॉइंट दिस फिंगर आउट. यू कैन नॉट, क्योंकि पता चल जाता है कि नो, that's the first thing. You cannot put this finger out. That's something not allowed, I will say.
अच्छा. So like it's all came from within. Like मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, and because that's why I don't want to see someone else in the same situation. Like वो कौन सा मूवी है शाहरुख खान और आलिया भट्ट वाला? Like was it like you didn't get a psychologist like शाहरुख खान और डियर जिंदगी जैसा कुछ?
हाँ नहीं, वैसा नहीं मिला था. He is very good, very good. I want to become a psychologist like him. But मुझे जो मिले थे, they are all like, oh, so you're crying. Oh, so you are insecure. Oh, so you're like this. I mean, yes, I'm like this. And you know, the worst part was, and the funny part, now I feel it was the most funny part. Like, I went to the psychologist. I clearly remember she told me to sit, and I sit, and she said, "What's the problem?" I said, you know, my friends are like this, and they say these kind of things to me. I don't know what to do, and this is really hurting me. I'm not good in studies and blah blah. All my trauma I thrown on her, and she was like, "So what?" I was like, "Okay." And then what she started, and then what she started speaking was like कि हाँ तो थोड़ा मन को शांत रखा करो, सूर्य नमस्कार किया करो, meditate किया करो. So in my head, in my heart, I was like, I know this. I know this. Okay, I'm not paying for this. Okay.
Yeah.
So I was like कि मेरी मम्मी घर पे समझाती है मुझे. And when I
Yeah.
told my mom, you know, mom, she was saying the same things. So my mom was like कि हाँ तो आजकल बच्चे अपने माँ बाप की तरह सुनते हैं, तो दूसरों को पैसे दे के सुनानी पड़ती है. It was so funny. मुझे इतना हंसी आता है उन बातों पे. बट हाँ, ये जरूर कहूँगी कि लाइफ बहुत चेंज हुई है उसके बाद में. जो चीजें हुई, आई टेक ऑल द थिंग्स एज अ लर्निंग. कि जो भी होता है, I pick it as a learning कि मैं इससे क्या सीख सकती हूँ. The moment I learn, I let that thing go now. अब ऐसा सिस्टम, क्योंकि वो हीलिंग प्रोसेस में है. लेकिन उस टाइम पे पोजीशन पे एज अ चाइल्ड, कशिश वाधवानी was like very insecure, very painful, हर चीज very emotional. So I was like कि हम जब अपनी चीजें मैनेज कर सकते हैं, and we are only controller of our destiny.
Yes.
I'm very sure about this thing. I'm studying on this statement from like so many years. अब तो 4 साल हो गए इस particular line पे study करते करते, and I'm so freaking sure कि हम ही control करते हैं भाई. तो अगर हमारे ही हाथ में है, तो it's a choice. It's a choice whether we choose pain or whether we choose joy. It's our choice.
Makes a lot of sense. So like you're saying कि जो भी मार्केट में नॉर्मली बिकता है, real life coaches होते हैं, they are selling theory and not practical what you can actually do, like
Yeah.
right now. So that's what my question was. Yeah. How if I want to be a life coach, what was like step by step process? So वही मैं कहना चाह रहा था कि practical approach नहीं होता है if I'm not making something wrong out of whatever you said. Right?
I mean, yeah, actually, and becoming a life coach is not like कि ना जो study करिए हमने उसको पढ़ के बैठ जाओ. No, it's not. जब आपके पास जितने cases आते जाएंगे ना, आपका दिमाग ऐसा खुलता जाएगा. वो छोटे छोटे डब्बे ना फट के आएंगे. Because मैं 4 साल से इस फील्ड में हूँ. I was very young when I started this. I was like 18 years old when I became a life coach. ठीक है.
Wow.
So yeah, and luckily by the grace of God, that's what there were a lot of clients for me waiting for me कि हाँ ठीक है बन जा एक बार फिर हम आ गए तेरे पास.
Wow.
It was like that. And initially I started for free. I did 100 people's one-to-one sessions for free at first. And from that experience, वो भी different people, not the same person, not ours,
Of
but
course.
the people. It was difficult कि एंड में आते आते तो मुझे लोग ही नहीं मिल रहे थे, फिर मैं किसी को भी उठा के चलो भाई अब आपकी लाइफ की कोचिंग करती हूँ. I was like that because I had a target कि नहीं, till the time I am not experiencing the different lives, I cannot take someone's money and take in charge of their life. Take in charge कि I'm gonna help you out. I cannot do that. So that's what my thought was.
Makes a lot of sense. So, like, I
Yeah.
think you have covered your story inside it also. So, I'm not gonna ask your story, alag se. Right. So, the next question is, what was the process of getting you the first client? Whether so the first paying client, because now you have the experience of 100 clients that you have done for free. So, how is the that process look like?
The first paid client,
Yeah.
it was pretty easy.
Oh,
It was
okay.
pretty because
Okay.
for me it was like कि अगर देखो it's a chain,
Mm-hmm.
it's a mouth publicity I will say. Like
Okay.
one person comes to
Word
you
of mouth. Yeah,
and
yeah.
they feel कि oh my god, this line changed my life. Only a single line changed their life. So they
Yeah.
tell the दूसरे friends को पता था कि अच्छा चलो ये अच्छी है. She takes I started from 100 rupees I will say, ठीक है.
All
I
right.
started there and now my fees is 3,000 rupees.
All
So
right.
there's a huge difference.
Yeah.
There's a
Yeah.
huge difference. 100 रुपए वाला client
Per
आना was
session?
not. Hmm?
Is it per session?
Yeah, it's per session per hour.
Okay. Okay.
Per hour. So I started from 100 rupees, and then initially I jump into 200, then 250, then directly 500, then
Yeah.
1500, now 3,000. That's final.
All right. So so that was pretty easy for you. So let's उसका दूसरा side एक बार देखते हैं. Like when you were under your mentor, and now you are doing it for 4 years, so you can actually mentor someone to how to be a life coach, how to actually do all of that stuff, right? So what was the core basic principle that you were sticking to? Like if someone wants to not to be a life coach, but he wants to develop himself or herself, like abhi ke abhi, then what was the basic line that you would tell कि ये mentor हर किसी को बताता है, and like this is the basic principle that we should stick to actually.
So you were like, you said something which is very connecting to me because what happened with me was pretty stupid. I will say it's a miracle that I became a life coach. I will say that. So what
Okay.
happened was I just selected a subject psychology, and I was pretty clear that okay, I want to change the world now.
All
That's
right. All right.
enough of it. I am gonna change the world. But
Yeah.
before that, like, okay, baby, Kashyap, relax. You got to work on yourself first. You have a lot of trauma now. So you got to figure out all that.
Yeah.
So what I did was I was searching for some personality development course.
Mhm.
Okay, I was searching for some personality development course on Google, and I was searching and searching and searching, and here is the what I got life coaching course, and I was like, this looks like personality development course. Click, enroll, paid, and I was like, okay, now I'm sitting in the class with the foreign people. By the way, I did it from New York, and the
All
people
right.
who were enrolled in it, they were having like high fancy English, like literally
All right.
high fancy English, and I was
All
like,
right.
मुझे तो ईयरफोन पहन के सुनना पड़ रहा था कि साला बोल क्या रही है लोग, and I was like, ठीक है, and I used to record it and I used to make notes of it because मुझे उस समय English नहीं आती थी, so it was very fun, and 2 दिन बाद मुझे पता पड़ा, maybe Kashish, this is not personality development course. This is life coaching course. You're gonna become a life coach in 6 months. You're not gonna be a personality development teacher. You're gonna be a life coach. And I was like, oh my god. Oh है यहाँ पे. I like,
All
oh
right.
god. मेरे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ था कि I wanted to develop certain things in me, but miraculously life coaching chose me, and that's the reason I say the statement all the time कि मैंने मेरा करियर नहीं बनाया, मेरे करियर ने मुझे बनाया है. My
Okay.
career made.
Makes sense.
I always say this, always, because it's
Yeah.
I don't know, ये मेरे मतलब एक होता है ना प्लेट में आके रह गया और उस समय
Mhm.
सिचुएशन में ऐसे होता है
Yeah.
कि you don't know.
Yeah.
don't know what to, even with the psychology thing also, वो भी instant plan था. In just one day my mother asked कि बस अब रोना बंद करो, चिल्लाना बंद करो, मुझे बताओ तुम्हें चाहिए क्या जिंदगी से. And automatically something out of my mouth came up, I want to become a psychologist. And my mother was like, बेटा तुम पढ़ नहीं सकती हो, तुम्हें पता है. I was like, yes mom, मुझे पता है, but I want to become like this. So yeah, that's how I started. And to all the people, I would like to say कि जिनको अपने अंदर inner building करनी है and don't want to get a tag of a life coaching, so I will say don't go for the life coaching stuff. There's plenty of stuff which is available for free if you're if you're wanting to grow your inner thing. ठीक है.
Mhm.
And I will say कि चलो पेड में भी चल जाओ तो there are plenty of courses these days. वो भी discount code में मिल रहा तो there are so many. But हाँ, make sure you are doing from a right person. क्योंकि मैंने क्या पहले भी कहा था, the person who is non-judgmental is the best mentor. In my eyes, the person who is the like जो judge नहीं करे, he's the best. Take him. ऐसे
I was
analyze करो, observe करो, and
actually I was gonna ask that, like, what would be the right approach to actually get a right mentor or right person to talk to? So that is the answer. If someone is
yeah.
not judging you, then like that's the person that you want to be with, or you want to share your problems, or like that is the
Yes,
answer.
exactly. You know, the other day, what happened? My client called me and she said, "I'm so sorry." I was like, "Why? Why you're sorry?" मैंने उसको मना किया था किसी लड़के से बात करने के लिए, लेकिन मैंने उसको बोला था, "Just don't give the space, and then if he comes to you, then we'll see about it." Okay, but now it's required that you need time. According to me, you need a little bit of time. So she was like, "Okay, I'm gonna do that." She understood that by asking questions. I made her do that. And 3 days ago, she called me and she said, I'm sorry, and she started crying. I was like, why are you crying? She was like कि मैंने उससे बात कर ली थी रे. I was like, it's okay, it's your choice. So she was like double dating, right?
Okay.
So like yeah, so she was in a guilt कि what I will think about her. So I was like, no, it's your
Yeah.
life, it's not my life. So this is very important. And there was one thing कि जब हम किसी mentor, हम हमारे भी mentor हैं, हम भी बताते हैं, तो I never heard this from my mentor who is Jogesh Jain, Avinash sir, Avinash Singhvi Anand. These both people are very close to me. Jogesh sir तो मेरे साथ काफी लंबे टाइम से हैं. And I remember I have told him every damn thing about my life, and he never said this. Oh, why Kashish? Oh, you did this? No, never. Oh, that was fun, right? मैंने कितना भी बुरा, कितना भी cheap, anything, like anything.
Mhm.
He never said that. Oh, that's. He was always like, oh, that's fun. I used to do that the same. So it's the connection you build by non-judgmental, right?
Okay.
But there are a lot of counselors who are more like, अच्छा ऐसा कर लिया. So ये अच्छा ऐसे वाले लोगों के पास मत जाओ.
Okay.
Don't go with these
So if
people.
yeah, if someone has the dynamic perception, that's what I like to call it. Like, अगर एक ही tunnel vision से अगर चीजें नहीं देखी जा रही हैं, तो that's the right person to actually go for. Maybe I feel that's the person that you should have in your life. Maybe not as a mentor, maybe not as someone else, or maybe just as a, like, if
Inner
you can
circle
choose.
should be like this.
Yeah.
Your inner circle should be like this.
Thanks a lot. Now, this is, I don't know, I'm pretty much sure that people have asked you this. Like, this is a $1 billion question. Like, how does that feel like to be a youngest life coach? Because that is the,
Everybody asks this
yeah, yeah,
question.
yeah, I know.
It feels great, यार. Why it won't be? Like a lot of ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't take criticism. There are plenty of people barking on me कि अच्छा every Tom, Dick and Harry is not gonna teach us how to be a life coach. And some people are like ये इतनी young है ये क्या हमें सिखाएगी इसकी तो जवानी तक नहीं है पूरी. There are a lot of people saying a lot of things. And by the way, to the people who say Jawani nahi aayegi, I'm about to get married. So yeah.
Okay, congratulations.
So there are a lot of people who say a lot of things, right? But it's
Mhm.
up to us how we take it, right? I feel wow, criticism should be there. अगर वो नहीं होगा तो आगे बढ़ने की इच्छा नहीं होगी. I feel that, right? So
And
people say a lot of things,
yeah, I mean,
but
I'm pretty much sure. Like, I'm sure you have. I don't know. Do you know Gary Vee?
yeah,
Yeah, he says this in a lot of his videos. Like I don't know. I'm not gonna use his language because that's like pretty much bad. But he says like you're 22 years old and you're a life coach. Babe, you have not lived your life till now. Like, what are you coaching about? Like, that's the thing
Right.
that he said. Yeah, that I'm pretty
Yeah.
much sure that you have listened to this in real life also. Like when
Yeah.
somebody in
That,
the party, when someone is asking you like, what do you do? I'm a life coach. Oh, 22. Yeah.
There's a lot of
So
people who are going to say a lot of things. And let me tell you, to become a life coach, it's not about the age factor. It's about what type of questions you are asking. It's about इन दो कानों के बीच में जो आपका इंटेलिजेंस पार्ट है ना क्लाइंट को टैकल करने का उस पे डिपेंड करता है यू टेक द लाइफ कोचिंग बुक्स you get the best life coaches on this entire planet. It's Tony Robbins, it's Marie Folio, it's Mel Robbins. You go under them, learn about life coaching. You will understand one thing. It's not about the age. It's about the smartness of asking the questions. Right questions at the right time and pinch. Your work is done. That's the only thing about life coaching. That's the
it's a lot.
only thing. Yeah.
It's a lot. So in your bio in LinkedIn, I've read like you have taken like 500 plus clients. So what are those three top things that you say to every client of yours? This is the last question. Every client. So I'm pretty much
This
sure like
is
everybody. Yeah. So three questions that you say to every client of yours.
you are the creator of your destiny, number one.
Cool.
And I make sure that they have understood this. They are, really, you are the only creator of your life. Only creator. There is nothing outside. No, I'm not going to say, of course, it's a karmic thing, but it can be managed by your this janam karmas, right? If you
Okay.
go on a spiritual things, that this is the only case that you are the creator of your life. To any person you want to get married, to want to have a happy relationship, to make a career, good money, abundance life, anything, you are the creator of your life. The second thing I will say is I say this to all my clients is common sense is not common practice. Like तुम सोचते हो कि तुम अपन मन में सोचते अपन ऐसा कर लेंगे, अपन को सुबह एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, पानी ज्यादा पीना चाहिए, हेल्दी डाइट लेनी चाहिए, लेकिन कितने लोग लेते हैं? तो you have to make sure that whatever your common sense is, you have to put it in common practice, and that's where your life is gonna grow.
Change.
That's where you grow.
Yeah.
And the third thing I say is, this key, whenever you are coming to my session, whenever, as a client, no matter how many sessions I have given to you, or no matter whatever damn thing you are learning in life, any damn thing, see yourself as a child, as a kid, because it's important to unlearn things, because हमें लगता है ये तो हमें आता है, but that one line that shifts your whole perception, और वो आप one line अपने ego में miss कर देते हो, क्योंकि आप उस ego में सोचते हो कि ये तो आपको आता है already. And there's one more thing I say, अभी मेरे दिमाग में आ रही है,
Okay.
sorry
Bonus
मैं,
one.
yeah. So it's important to be a master of your life. It's important to be a master of your life, because if you are not going to be a master of life, then anybody else will be. So it's your choice. Again, make choice consciously. Become a self master, become a master of all the things. Like, take that control. Take that control of being a master. You are the master of your life. Don't try to be a master of your partner. Don't try to be a master of your mother. Don't try to be a master of your own master. Just try to be a master of your own self. That's, I just, it comes to me all the time. I say this, like, be your own self master. You will not need anybody else on this planet to help you.
Love
Yeah.
that. You have also created a course on self mastery, right?
Yeah,
That's the whole purpose.
Yeah, that's the whole purpose. The self mastery course was created a long time ago now, and luckily it was going well. And I'm planning to go for next course also, which is related to happiness, because I see there are a lot of people who are troubling in living a happy life. So I have to make them understand what is happiness, and what type of things you have to install in your brain to live happily forever, like without a doubt. If you install all those things, you're gonna be happy, all the
Love,
time. You won't feel कि अच्छा मुझे दुख भी हो रहा है, you know. So
love
yeah.
that. So
Yeah.
before moving on to the last question, I just want to say, like, I approached you on LinkedIn. We got connected on LinkedIn. Is there any other way that people can find you on? Is there any
Yes,
other
yes.
platform?
There's different ways. There's YouTube, Kashish Wadhwani. There's Instagram, W_Kashish. And there's Facebook, Kashish Wadhwani again. LinkedIn is, of course, Kashish Wadhwani. So
All
there's
right.
all the
Link,
platforms.
I'll put the links in the description.
Yeah, put the
If
links.
this,
Yeah. You
yeah.
can catch
All
me,
right.
guys. If you have any questions, you can just catch me over there.
All right. So the last question will be for someone who wants to make a life online, not as a mastery course, not as a life coach or something, like not as a guru or something, but if someone wants to make a life online, want to earn online because you have an experience of that. Of course, you're raised to be a life coach, but your experience is that. So, what would you suggest to someone who wants to do
Okay,
that?
if you want to earn online, so there are plenty of ways.
Mm-hmm.
Plenty of ways, I will say.
It is,
Uh, just just pick your niche. I will say just pick your niche, because if I'm gonna give you my niches, it will be like, I'm kind of manipulating your brain, but I'm not gonna do that. So the number one step is to pick up your niche and then analyze. You have to put that videos or blogs or articles or affiliate marketing regarding that particular stuff.
all right.
If you like, let's take the example of fashion, because it's way not at all related to the life coaching thing, right? So if you take the fashion, there are so many fashion influencers doing
Yes.
great because of the online stuff.
Yes.
मतलब आने वाला जमाना सब कुछ ऑनलाइन है, so pick your niche, कुछ भी.
Let's talk about you. Like, let's say I have a course, and then how should I go about it? Like that way.
You have a
I have a course. Let's say this is an answer. I have a course. How should I? What steps should I take? How should I go about all of it?
you have a course on what? It depends on that.
Let's say I have a course on life coaching. Let's say that's an
Okay,
example. I just
no problem. You have a course on life coaching, and then what will happen is you have to make sure that people need to see you first,
all right,
and then
all
they're
right.
gonna pay you for anything. So show your skills to audience, show your talent to audience, help them, give them value. Just make sure you are giving value, and
All
then
right.
just tell them, okay, if you like this is my course. If you want to purchase this, it's gonna be great. इसमें ये मिलेगा, and it's gonna help you only. So
All
if they
right.
take it, great. If they don't, put more value and then ask for the course. Simple. That's how it is done. Nothing major, nothing like hectic. But the only way to sell anything online, like I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying, anything online, the selling part, it all depends on how much value you are giving to the audience. To get, you have to give first.
Makes a
That's
lot
the
of
whole. Yeah.
So thank you so much, Kashish. Like I feel more connected to you because of the things that you said, like from your experiences. And I love the conversation that I had just now. Last 40 minutes, I guess, that was amazing. Like, I mean, 30 minutes. Yeah, that was amazing. And thank you so much for the cooperation that we had to do, like, Skype thing.
That's okay. That's part of my job also. Don't worry about that. It's a pleasure to be here. It was very interesting talk, and hope we get connected more.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Thank you so much, Kashish. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.